How can I show a set of related problems to emphasize a specific relationship? I am Lynn Rule, a primary teacher for 36 years and now the math consultant for MATHRACK. Number strings are a set of related math problems that are purposefully selected to emphasize a specific relationship with benefits that can be everlasting. Students work to solve strings using mental math strategies and then share their strategy with the class after being given time to think and discuss the problem. Number strings can demonstrate benchmarks of 5 and 10, 1 or 2 more or less, doubles, part whole, compensation, equivalence, as well as the commutative property. The teacher will display 3 to 4 related problems of a number string, one at a time, on separate math racks, or record each part of the number string on the board after modeling it on the math rack. The students can discuss the relationship of the string. How many beads do you see? How do you see them? The entire group will meet to discuss their findings and the relationship that was emphasized. Will these students discover the relationship of this number string?
All right, guys, we're going to work on our number strings. So I want you to build for me. If I have 7 on the top and 7 on the bottom, can you show me how you would figure that out using your math rack? So what do you see? Bavia.
I see these white. There's 2 on the top. There's 2 white on the top, 2 whites on the bottom, and I know 2 plus 2 equals 4. And then I saw these 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom, and I know 5 plus 5 equals 10. Then I saw that 5 plus 4 equals 14.
So you had 10
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah.
Plus 4
4
equals 14. Did anyone do it differently? Piper.
So, I actually saw the 10 first, and then I saw the 4, so then I knew it was 14.
Okay, so you saw the 10 and the 4 and the 14.
Yeah, but I saw.
You just saw the 4. You didn't have to go 2 and 2. Okay, anyone do it differently? Oh, Levia.
Actually, I knew there were 7 plus 7, 7 plus 7, and I actually made a 10.
Oh, so how did you make the 10?
So I knew 7 plus 3.
So you took this 3,
Yes.
okay. If you took 3 from there, you
10.
take 3 away, equals 10,
Mm-hmm.
okay.
Then
And then how
I
many are left
knew-
over?
I knew there were 4 left over.
Okay.
So I knew
10
plus 4 equals
plus
14.
4 equals 14. That's another strategy. Did any of you think about 14 like this? Okay, we have 14. Edward, how many total beads do we have?
7,
All together on our math rack.
20,
So if I have 20 beads, Edward, how many are on this side?
6,
So 20 minus 6 would be what?
equal 14.
14. Okay. Now, move your beads back. Let's try another one. Now, if we know that 7 plus 7 equals 14, help me figure out what 8 plus 7 equals. Show me on your math rack.
They're on the top?
Does it matter?
No.
No, because if we do it either way, it'll be the same. So if I do, let's see, I'm going to do 8 on the top, 7. Okay. Piper, what did you do?
So
First of all, tell me the answer.
the answer is 15.
How'd you get that?
So if I know that 7 plus 7 equals 14,
So 7 plus 7 is 14.
I'm adding 1 more to a 7.
It makes it
8.
8. So 7 plus 7 is 14. So 8 plus 7 is
So 8 plus 7 is 15.
15. Because it's 1 more. Dealey, did you do it any different way?
I knew that, so I took the 2 and the 3 and I made a 5.
Mm-hmm. So you said this 2 plus 3 equals 5.
And then I took the 10
and then you saw this is a 10, and then you
I
said
knew 10 plus 5 equals 15.
equals 15. Okay, got it. So this is this 5, correct? Let's try another one. Now, we figured out that 7 plus 7 equals what?
14.
14. And Edward, 7 plus 8 equals?
7 plus 8 equals 15.
15. So right now what I want you to do is I want you to figure out what 8 plus 8 equals. Okay, figure it out. Oh my goodness. Edward, you did that pretty quick. Explain your thinking, Edward.
I know 8 plus 8 is a double, so I took away the 3 foot and I used 10. Then I added the 3's to make a 6. Then I knew 10 plus 6 equals 16.
16. So you're using that 10 to figure out 6, and then 6 more equals 16. Bavia, exactly what Delia was doing too. Levia.
So I took away 1 from the top and took away 1 from the bottom, and I knew it would. This part would be 14, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. So 14 plus 2 equals 16.
Oh my goodness, that's another way to do it. So you said, I knew this was 14 plus 2 more equals 16. Okay, I have a question. How many beads are there altogether on the math rack?
20.
20. So if there are 20 beads on the math rack, how many are on this side? Delia, how many are on this side?
4.
So what's 20 minus 4? Delia?
16.
16. Because we know 16 plus 4 equals 20. Okay.
As you may have noticed, Jeanine modifies her lessons to meet the needs of her students, just like you can do in your classroom. When using the MathRack activity cards, you will see that there are 12 number string cards that are labeled NS 1 through 12. The number string cards are purposeful and demonstrate specific relationships. The cards are to give a teacher, parent, or aide direction to teach the tasks of number strings and the relationship emphasized. You can download these activities free or purchase the MathRack activity cards online at mathrack.com.